Find the greatest and least values of the expression x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 7 for real values of x. To solve this problem, first let y that is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 7. Here x is real values, so reduce this equation into a quadratic equation. First reduce this, multiply y and this, that is y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 7, that is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Now transposing all the terms of the right hand side to make it into a quadratic equation. Whenever x square will be transposed to the left, and after that x square taken out common. Thinking about y is multiplied to each terms. So take out common x square. Whenever it will be multiplied yx square, so y and y it will be transposed to the left, this will be minus 1 plus, here is x taken out common, to the right, here we will write y into 2x 2yx, so here write 2y and plus 2x to the transpose to the left, so minus 2 plus 7y and 1 to the left minus 1, that is equal to 0. Bracket this. Now x is real and this is a quadratic equation in x. So its discriminant must be greater or equals to 0. So applying the condition, as x be a real number, real, therefore its discriminant ax square plus bx plus c making out here, if a x square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation, then its discriminant d that is equal to b square minus 4ac. The condition x be a real is its discriminant greater is equal to 0. So discriminant b means what is here? Compare this, 2y minus 2. 2y minus 2, that of square, minus 4, a means y minus 1, c means 7y minus 1, greater is equal to 0. So simplify this. To simplify this, first take out common, here is 2. 2 after taking out common, 2 square means 4, y minus 1 square minus 4 y minus 1, 7y minus 1 greater is equal to 0. Or 4 take out common. Now expanding this, y minus y whole square means y square minus 2y plus 1. This is first term, minus multiplying y minus 1, 7y minus 1. That means first multiply by 7y, 2y minus 1, 7y square minus 7y. Multiply by minus 1 minus y. Next minus 1 plus 1. greater is equal to 0. Next show or 4 constant term, 4 divided 0 divided by 4 0. So bracketed term simplifying, y square minus 7y square minus 6y square minus 2y minus minus plus 7y. That means, or taking out common 6y, what will be? Minus y plus 1 greater is equal to 0, or y into 1 minus y greater is equal to 0. 0 by 6 0. Now here are two factors, y and another factor 1 minus y. Product of two factors greater is equal to 0 means either both factors are greater is equal to 0 or both factors are less is equal to 0. Therefore, either y greater is equal to 0 and 1 minus y greater is equal to 0 implies that y greater is equal to 0 and 1 greater is equal to y. 1 greater is equal to y implies that y greater is equal to 0 and y less is equal to 1. These two conditions must be simultaneously satisfied. Is it possible? Suppose we draw a number line here showing this point 0, 1, minus 1 and so on. See, condition is y greater equals to 0 and y less equals to 1. Within this interval 0 and 1, so this is possible. Hence we conclude that therefore 0 less y less is equal to y less is equal to 1. But we have to consider another condition when both factors are less is equal to 0. Next, see what happens next case, or case. This is either case or case. Or case what? Y less is equal to 0 and 1 minus y less is equal to 0. That means both are negative. If both are negative, their product must be positive. That means greater is equal to 0. Implies that y less is equal to 0 and 1 less is equal to y. Implies that y less is equal to 0 and y greater is equal to 1. Now, these two values consider with respect to line number. See, y less equal to 0 this side and greater is to 1 this side. One value cannot be simultaneously not falling or cannot be fall in the both sides of 0. That means we cannot choose a value which is less is equal to 0 and y greater equals to 1. Greater equals to 1 right side. For a particular value of y, these two conditions will be satisfied, not possible. Therefore, this or condition is rejected. So, which is impossible? which is impossible. Hence, hence 0 less is equal to y less is equal to 1 is correct answer. Therefore, the least value of the given expression 0, the least value of expression is 0 and greatest value of the expression is 1. Hence the result. If you have not subscribed this channel, you should subscribe this channel for getting notification of the uploaded videos. Thank you.